Hi everyone, welcome back.
This my picture is entering my eyes. I don't understand.
Well, this seems to be the best AI pictures that I've generated so far, right? And it's very beautiful. So yeah, let's just get into what we have. Yes, in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to create smudge paintings, how to turn your pictures into smudge paintings, smudge art, or pencil art, and I'm also going to show us how to frame our pictures, right? The pictures you generated. I'm going to show you how you're going to go about it. If you want to print it, how you would go about it and make money from it. And I believe you're already making money from generating these pictures. If you are not, then you are wrong. So yeah, so let's get right. So the app I'm going to be using is photolab. Yes, photolab. And if you notice, I have the photolab here. I have the first one, photolab, the normal photolab. Then the second one is photolab pro. So the first one has some features that you need to pay for before you can access, while photolab is free, right? The photolab pro is free. So I'm going to be sharing it us on Telegram. So but for this video, I'm going to be using photolab, the first one. Alright, so when you open it, this is what you will see. Alright, you see top, you see trending, you see recent. So automatically it's going to be on trending, right? So we want to convert our pictures to a smudge art. So I already like this one here, but before we use that, let me show you. You can search for what you want here, right? So you can come over to this search icon and search. Assuming I want to search for smudge. So you see different alright, so you see different options that came up: smudge art, smudge background. So you can click on anyone and look for to see if what you want is there. So instead of doing this, let me go and select that first one I saw. I like how the way this one is looking, so I selected this one. So now I'm going to look for a picture I would use. I would use this picture here. So then just select the picture you want to use and then click on this arrow to continue. So it's going to do the magic itself. It's asking you to go pro, but just ignore it. It's processing the picture. Alright, so it is done. This is what it did. So you can just easily convert your picture to smudge paintings like this and they would come out nice. So now let's try using. So before we do that, let me show you how to save. If you want to save, just click on this share icon. Save option will come up and you see this has watermark. So but the pro version does not have. So I'm just going to click on download and it would save automatically into your phone, right? So let me go back and let's try for pencil art. So I'm going to type pencil or pencil sketch. Let's see. Okay, let me select this one here. So I'm still going to select this picture again and continue. So it's processing and we wait for it. Alright, so it is done. So this is what it came up with and this is beautiful. You can frame this and just hang it on your wall. So instead of probably you can't draw and you can't get access to someone that can draw you can do this by yourself. You can even sell it. Just imagine you can do this for people and sell. Just put in your name. Yes, there's a field for you to add your name. So just click on this plus icon. I clicked this plus icon, then this came up. So you can animate it, you can add art and effects, but we just want to add text, so you can type in your name. So just type in whatever you want, and you can change the font. I would prefer a stylish font, kind of something like this. So just look for what works for you and then reduce it. I think I'll put it somewhere here. You can change the color too to black. So just walk around it and choose what's best for you. So I think I like that black. So just choose it, write in your name and frame it, and like easy, like within seconds you are done and you are making money. So if you're not making money, and probably if you wanting to do this kind of things and you don't know how to do it, AI is here for you. It is here to assist you. All right, so now I'm going to save this. I'm just going to click on the share icon again and click on download, but this has watermark. We don't want this watermark. That's why I'm going to be dropping the pro version for you on the Telegram group, so that you will not have this watermark. So now let's go back. So now I would want to frame this picture. So now let me go back. Now I'm going to type for frame. You can either type for frame or you can just come here. I think frame is among, yes, sketch is here, frame is here, cartoon is here. So you can just play around it. There are many things you can create here. It's not just pencil art and smudge art. You can find things that you want. You can turn pictures to cartoon and like whole lots more. So I love this one, right? So I'm going to select it. So now I'm going to look for, so I selected the picture, the pencil art I created and added my logo. So I'm going to continue. So it's processing, so this might take a while. Yeah, so this is it, right? So our pictures have been framed. So if you notice, it still added some effects to the picture, right? Like after our smudge paint, after our pencil art, it still added some effect and it's still fine. So if you don't want it, you can just use the original picture, right? And it will come out nice. So the same way, we're going to save it and download it. Now, how do you print, right? How do you convert these pictures to real frames? All right, the first thing you need to do is, once you are done generating the pictures, like once you're done converting it to whichever way you want, probably a smudge, a pencil, a cartoon, whatever it is that you want, right? You then save it, right? You then save it. You don't need to add this frame. You just save it the normal way and then send it to the person that is going to print it for you. Just save the picture itself without adding frame. This frame I added here, it's one you can use online, right? But if you want to print the physical frame, you don't need to add this frame. You just need to download this one without frame and then go and give it to the person that frames, right? And you must not go there physically. You can send it on WhatsApp, right? Because then when I do frame, I send it to the person that frames for me on WhatsApp. I just tell him this is what I need, give him the sizes I want, and he will just do the job. But you need to send it as a document. Do you get? So you don't need to do any extra thing. You just need to finish your work here, send it to him or her on WhatsApp, and the person will do the job. Then there are different frame sizes, right? There are different frame sizes. There are 16 by 24, 16 by 20. Those are big ones, right? And so on. You can even get smaller ones, 5 by 7. So it depends on the size you want. 5x7 is the smallest one. It's just like a picture size, like the normal picture you print now, like a photographer gives you. That's the size, and it will be framed. So what you need to do is just speak with someone that makes frame, and don't speak like you want to do frame for yourself. Just speak in business time, so that they'll give you the price they do, so that they'll not give you the price they give for clients. They'll give you the price they give for those that run this business. Do you get? Because if they notice that, okay, this one is a client, probably they will treat you as one. So get the original price. I think 16 by 20 is about 14 or 15,000. So if you get the prices of it, you can then sell at your own price. You can sell that 16 by 20 for 20,000, right, and make your profit. So yes, this is how you can generate pictures. You can turn your pictures, both original pictures or pictures generated using AI, into pencil art, smudge art, and then frame it, right? And I've shown you and told you how you can frame your pictures physically, like framing it, and you would carry it. Yet so it's not something hard at first. Before I did it, but before I started it, I thought it's something about all thanks to my friend that helped me. He's a photographer. He put me through into the business, and I found that it's not something difficult. So just speak to the person that does the frame, be in good terms, and communicate very well. Make sure you send the pictures in as a document if you are sending it from WhatsApp, or if you go there physically, you can then send it to their system, right? So that the quality will still be retained and it will come out nice. So that is that for this video. I hope you got value for this video. Yes, I know you did. So just give this video a like if you do, and yes, I would see you in the next one.